Hello guys, welcome to the video on the channel. Today we're going for a picnic. I don't know what is it. I think it's called Ribblehead. Am I right? Yeah, Ribblehead. Yeah. Should be in Yorkshire, somewhere there. We haven't been there before. That's why it's gonna be our first time. So we might as well show it to you here in this video. Along with me is my family, my mom and dad at the front there. Hello, ma.
Hi.
Pa.
Hello.
Yeah, and beside me is Raven, and then there's Henry here, and young Cassie. And at the back, there's the two.
Hi.
Georgia and then Frodo, obviously. So yeah, the whole family is going to Yorkshire, guys. So our first time going there.
Huh? Yeah? Food? Oh, we got bones, but not food. You didn't bring food before though? No.
Alright guys, na namin sa Yorkshire. I think that we just passed by the town of Ingleton. Maliit na town yun. So yeah, we're in the remote side now, so we're heading there. How many minutes? 6 minutes, I guess. Yeah, 6 minutes. So just to show you the view around as well. Let's just stretch our legs, guys. That was like an hour and a half journey. We're like 8 minutes away from the place that we're going to, but look at this view, guys. Look at the rock formation. This is the right side, guys. This is our left side. So it's like a valley. You know, it's like a basin. Sama-sama. Right, in this bit, guys, maraming mga karnero dito. I think there's probably more farms in this area than in our own area back in Barrow. So yeah. Yeah, apparently guys, may structure dito na nasa Harry Potter daw. So, was it like a train track or something?
No. Yeah, it's not the train. The train goes past it. That's really the reason why we're here, if you can see over there.
Yeah, it's right there. Maraming sasakyan dito, guys. We did not expect. Huh? May train, guys, labay.
Don't look like the trees from Harry Potter, but
There's something here, guys. Let's see what's up with this. Ooh. Strange.
I like the scenery and the waterfall because it's really nice. I like where you just get to walk around with your friends.
Alright. The whole family's going. Oh. We're going there. So how was it, Henry? I'm asking because Henry went there earlier ahead of us before we ate. So how was it?
Yeah, you a good job. Bowl niya.
Very
Hello, I
big.
think it's bowl niya.
Tall.
Ano yung bowl?
Well, big and tall. The whole thing's big.
No, it's fine, it's fine. I don't think we
Sa-
need small.
Yeah, no one's gonna stop us. Nagkaon nami. So natin here. Apparently it's quite a long walk, so let's see.
Hi.
Hi. Yes. Oh, mga karniro, guys. Close up. Sa mga karniro. They're free. You know, they're very free. You could go anywhere in this field. And they're running away from Frodo because Frodo is a sheepdog. Oh no, they're looking. Meh. They're wondering like what the heck's going on. Nagkaan namin kadool, guys. Right there. He kept on smelling the nettles. What's wrong with it? Woo! Dear Lord, how did they build this? they probably built each one of the column. Oh well, guys, look how tall that is. Oh, someone's flying their drone.
You're ruining the shot.
This on the other side of the bridge, guys. Okay, guys. As you can see, that road onwards there, you could walk. You could even go on top of the peak. And there's 3 peaks that you could explore. So sadly, we don't have enough time to go. But it would have been nice.
Take a photo of my camera. Quality is really good.
just realized. Diba may mga column, diba? Yan. I don't know how many columns there are, but each one of them may numbers sila dyan. Ito, number 14 daw. Number 14. That's it. Ah. Yung pangalan pala, Ribblehead Viaduct. So, yan. Was started back in 1875. And, ooh, 1991. That took a while. Oh, that is nice. Ito yung pagsimula. Ito yung mga damit nila noon. Ito na yung damit nila nung dumating na yung 1991, nung na-finish na nila. Galing yun ah. It's actually very nice to walk around here, guys. Probably in the future again, we'll take the full brunt of this walk, go to the beach and explore the whole place. With that, we might need to buy some proper equipments, proper shoes, because I don't think this jogging shoes will survive if I were to climb that peak over there. So yeah, bibili ako ng proper na equipment. Alright guys, we're gonna go back to our car now. What a nice place. What's it called again? Ribblehead. What was it? Ribblehead Viaduct, yeah. Ribblehead Viaduct. I'll remember that. What a nice place. Open space, guys. No trees or whatsoever. Alright guys, I'm gonna end the video here now. Before I finish the video, I'm just gonna get the last view of the Ribbleton Viaduct before I go. Well, before we go. So my family's gonna say goodbye. Bye. Bye bye. Bye. Yeah, so I'm gonna end the video there now, guys. So yeah, thank you for watching, guys, and if you like the content, please like and subscribe, and see you later.